Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to make an international bank transfer using Santander, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Santander account. Open the Santander mobile app or log into your online banking account at santander.com. Make sure your app is up to date for the best experience. Step 2. Go to the transfer section. From the dashboard, tap on Payments or Transfers, then select International Transfer or Send Money Abroad. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details. Fill in the required information: full name of the recipient, bank name and SWIFT BIC code, IBAN or account number, country and currency. Make sure all details are 100% accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Enter the amount and currency. Type in the amount you want to send and select the foreign currency, e.g. USD, EUR, GBP. You'll see the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time before continuing. Step 5. Review and confirm. Double-check all details. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Some transfers may require SMS or Santander key authorization. Step 6. Track the transfer. After sending, you can track your transfer in the Transaction History section. Santander usually delivers international transfers within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the destination. Tips to remember: international transfers often come with fees, so check them before confirming. Some countries may charge a receiving fee, so inform your recipient. Use your Santander key for added security. And that's it. You've just sent money internationally with Santander in 2025. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tips. Thanks for watching.